Hello everyone, Sam is from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about this yen chart, yen index chart, and the trades that I took based on this yen index chart. So let's get started. This is not the latest one. This is the one on 17th January I made. 17th January says that it is going to go up here, finishing wave 5 in this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave. And obviously after that it's supposed to be doing this. For example, this is the main idea of the Elliott wave: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you come down A, B, C, around 61% of this whole move. Okay, this is what the Elliott wave structure, basic structure, very basic. So look at this: is you had like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Nice wave, right? And this A, B, and C. Not this one. Let me see. I was showing you this because I predicted all the way from the top though. So I'm gonna show you step by step. So here I made the chart that is gonna be finishing here. We have 5, and after that we will come down here. So you'll see it. So now this one, what happened to this chart? We went up, finishing wave 5. So I said, okay, now we're supposed to come down here for wave A, right? And doing so, all yen pairs will be diving, and they did, and I made a lot of trades based on that. The next chart was that once we got there, I said we're gonna go up for wave B, just like here in this diagram here, right? You're supposed to come here A, then B, make a head and shoulder here, and then come down for C. When this index going up, all yen pairs will go up. When in this index coming down, yen index I'm talking about, and then all yen pair will be coming down. So when I said that we're gonna go for there, then what happened? We went there, right? Exactly. After a while, we went there, and then wave B was finished. And I said if we stay below this wave 3 here, then we will come down here for wave C according to the chart, right? The basic phenomena of Elliott wave. So we need to be coming down here, and this is the chart I made last Saturday, and I showed it to my subscribers on Sunday's webinar, explained them that this is what's going to happen, and because of that, all yen pairs will be going down, right? We also have here X, A, B, C, and then D at 88%. This is a bearish bad pattern, the harmonic pattern, right? So this is what happened here. Usually it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C. You have a bad pattern, and this is usually, if you look at this Elliott wave perspective, well, let's maybe a harmonic pattern, that I can show you that where these patterns in Elliott wave appears. You see this, this is a small chart. This is the one. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this area usually makes either girdle or a bad pattern, bearish girdle or a bearish bad pattern, and then comes down for wave C, right? So look what happened here. Exactly the same thing was making up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B is head and shoulder pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then we have a bad pattern here, right? I was expecting that we're gonna make a girdle pattern, but it made the bad pattern. It's okay, it's just brother and sister, no big difference, very slight difference. So once this was finished, I said we're gonna be coming down here with, and all yen pair will be diving. So what happened to this chart is this. Current chart of this yen index is this. Exactly from there, we came down so far. We are here. We went below. These are the weekly highs, weekly and monthly highs and lows numbers. They play a big role, right? So far, A, B, and C going underway right now, and I'm expecting that we might be coming down all the way here, 54, 52. But you know, it is like if then one level goes out, then the next level, then we take out that one, then the next level, stuff like that, right? So far so good. But am I right saying that all yen pairs will be going down this week if this index goes from here to here? So the index chart went down, clearly you can see here, right? But what about the pairs? And if they went down, did I take any entries or any trade, right? So let me show you the power of this analysis, and my system is and then the trade that I took excuse me only I'm going to show you only yen trades I took based on this chart, and then I'll make another video showing all my trades, including Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, this, that, Euro New Zealand, a lot of other trades. But let's take a look only the trades, yen pairs trades I took based on this chart this week, starting from 24. This is the chart I made on 22nd Saturday. The 23rd was Sunday, and then Monday comes. 24 was Monday, right? So let's get started and then start seeing the trades I took. Let me see, where are they? And that is I forgot to open the folder. Yen trades right there. Okay, so let's go take a look. And starting from 24, the first trade was on the 24 pound yen. It was up there, and then as soon as the index chart start dropping from wave B, it start dropping, right? And this is where my first trade. Then on the 24th, the second trade was euro yen, also start dropping, and this is the entry I took. This was also a very nice entry. But you just take only one entry. That's usually it's more than enough. Then on this third trade is Aussie yen on the 24th, right there. And the fourth trade on 24th was CAD yen, all the way down. All other pairs went down as well, like USD yen, but I didn't take it. But look at this one, very nice and beautiful. It's 95 pip, right? Beautiful setup. And all of them according to my magic IB setup. If I don't have a setup with all the conditions meeting, I don't take the trade. I'm not gonna show it here. I have to have a setup. This indicator I have to all the way up, going short, and then blue candle turns red, and then these MAs align in a certain way. So that is the setup. So these are the 4 trades on Monday based on that index chart, and then the same thing happened again on Tuesday 25th. Then again Aussie yen short, right? And then 25th euro yen again. That was the first entry here. I cashed out and retraced. The next day it gives you another entry and go down again. The third day, 25th, CAD yen, the first was here. We retraced into this wave, and then this level here, 83.54, and then came down here again. And on the 25th, USD yen I caught right from there for 70 pip all the way to the downside, right? And then comes 26th again, pound yen. That was the first trade you saw on the 24th, and this is on 26th. And 26th was not a very good active day. Aussie yen again on the 26th, 70 pip here, drop, right? And then look at that. 27 comes. 27 is 27. I have a lot of trades, but other than yen trades, a few yen trades. So I'm just gonna show the yen trades. So on the 27th, which was yesterday, we just started. 28 is 2:30 a.m. right now. So on the 27th, what happened? This is the first one. CAD yen 7-minute, right? And then second on the 25th, New Zealand yen for 120 pip, very nice entry, and all the way down. And the third trade on the 27th is pound yen, right? And it was nice from here all the way down for 75 pip. So these are altogether 13 trades based on this one single chart here, right? What happened? Oh yeah, okay. So this is the power of watching the index, learning how to where to get these index from, how to read these charts, and how to find the Elliott wave harmonic pattern setups. And then once you find it, imagine that I was tracking this thing from here. So I did all the same kind of trades when it was dropping from 5 to A. And I took all the trades, long trades from 4 to 5 when it was going up. So every leg, now once it's finished here, then it's gonna retrace, and I will make a new chart saying that okay, we stopped here, and then we are going up now. See, this is what happened here. So we're probably gonna be coming down here, maybe around 50%. We're gonna bounce or come all the way down to 61%. But tomorrow is today is Friday. It's not gonna move much, and then weekend comes and we will see what happened next week. from Monday. I will see what kind of funding we get and what kind of analysis we're talking about. So I'm going to make the charts and give it to my subscribers and all that. And Sunday I do the webinar on Sunday at 4 p.m. where I talk to the subscribers and I show the charts, all the charts that I make, and what is going to happen. I tell them my analysis and show the charts and explain the charts and give bias that okay, this pair is going to go up, this pair is going to go down, and use your magic IV system and make the entry according to the setup. This is how it's done. So this just wanted to show you guys. That's it. And if you like and you want to be a part of it and you want to get a hold of the system and learn how to use it, then go on my website, subscribe, and become part of it. To this Friday you can subscribe, and then Saturday, Sunday start learning, set up the charts, and then start from there. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.